cat of mice coming at you. New pickup, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Did an unboxing video, something short and sweet. So in this video, I'm just gonna look at it, first-hand look, do a few operations and things like that. So that being said, open the box, and I made some adjustments with the GoPro 2. I had the waterproof case on there. It was making a lot of noise. The box opens like a book, that prized present possession that you always been wanting, been waiting for. So go ahead, take this out the box and get right to it. So first of all, what I'm going to say is the phone came with a big screen protector on it that wrapped all the way around the phone, that covered the front screen, the back, and the middle. So after inspecting, I see that the inside screen does have a screen protector on it. The outside screen has a screen protector as well, but the back side doesn't. So what I did was just cut it and leave that little piece on there until I can get a screen protector for it. And right now the cases for this phone is 80, 90, 100 bucks. Screen protectors 15, 20 bucks. It's real expensive for them. So anyways, let's get into it. Typical phone, on off sleep button on the side, volume up, volume down. The other side is for your SD card. Now this would let me down also. I was just thinking about this. In my phone, I have a 512 gigabyte in my S20 Ultra, and I popped this out. It's just for a micro SIM card, pretty much. So the memory is not expandable on this. So I'm guessing, I think it's 256 gigabytes. So that's a big letdown for me. Close the phone. As you see, like this, the black hinges up. Go ahead, power it up. Latest version of Samsung, of Android running on here, 5G, and this is the unlocked version, direct from Samsung. So just wait for this to boot up. There we go. Outside screen, pretty nice size. It's slim compared to S20 Ultra. It's almost the same size, just a tad bit smaller, but that won't stop anything. So again, press that sleep button. Typical, everything that goes on the outside of the phone happens on the inside. So you swipe up, see your apps. Welcome to Samsung. See your apps. There you go. Press the home button, takes it back. Now open it up. Then everything from the outside went to the inside. So the same thing. Of course, you have double screens, so your app trays or app layout is way bigger now versus if you had it 4x4 or 4x5. Now it's way bigger. On my S20 Ultra, I had it 5x5. So on here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5x6 on the open wide screen. So it's pretty much the same. That screen is very clear. Got your camera right here, the drop down, your settings. Go back. Let's go ahead and click on the camera. Check that out. Camera pulls up. The camera is really clear. Take it around so you can see. Tighten up. And this camera right now is on the full screen. The open is open, so the camera is expanded all the way across, but in the corner it has like a minimize. Press the minimize button and there you go. You're able to use two apps at one time on both screens. This is the camera on the right side, and the left side is from the gallery. So you just click on it, it'll expand your gallery photo. Press back, it goes back to normal. Expand, it goes back to the full screen. Press the button to flip the camera to the front facing camera. Flip, front facing camera is on. As you see, GoPro Hero 8, about to upgrade that as well. But the front camera, very clear. Pretty satisfied with it actually. Front camera does the same thing in the corner. In the corner, you press the minimize. It'll drop it down, allows you to use the two screens separately, two apps. It goes to your gallery, or you can have it set up to however you want it. Click on it, it expands it. Go back, there you go. That front camera is still on. Press the icon, expand, like that. Flip it back. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and exit out the camera. Now, one thing that I did notice, you can see it right there down the middle. That little indentation. You can feel it just a little bit, but that's from where the phone folds. It's annoying, but it's not, but that's what you have to get in order to use the flip screen, the fold phone part. So go ahead, I'm gonna close it gently. Back to the outside, press that sleep button, wake the screen up. Open that front facing camera. Turn on locations, just cancel that. It's actually using that back camera right now while the phone is closed. As you can see, it's closed. It's using that back camera. Let's go ahead and see that. With the 3 cameras, that's what it's using right now. That's what's being projected on this screen. So on this one, in the top right hand corner, it says selfie. So I guess you press that selfie button. Take a selfie with the rear camera. Got it. I always say open your phone. So open the phone. There you go. So it's looking, you're using that rear camera to take a selfie right there. Yeah. There you go, yeah. So you're using that rear camera to take a selfie. It's not that bad. So you close it back. Yeah, so press that to take a selfie. How do you use this front face? Oh, here we go. To use that front facing camera, just press that flip button. There you go. And now it's on the front camera. And all you have to do is swipe your hand and it'll take the picture. So close that out. Let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it as far as checking out the phone. Let's check out the internet on here. Welcome to Google Chrome. No thanks. Big pad, you can see that indentation down the middle. Right there, you see it. That's the only thing that's gonna get me, but I mean, other than that, I think it's pretty good. I'm satisfied with the phone. Outcome of the screen. I've been waiting since the first one after I heard all the issues that it had, but I'm satisfied with it. Just wish the cases were cheaper and they were available in the US instead of having to wait.
How do you start the oven again?
But that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.